G'day there guys, here's how to be a successful YouTuber in 13 easy steps. First, you want to have some style. Fancy, innit? Do your own shit. To be more descriptive, have a personal trademark. A personal trademark means to have your proper filling, your proper content, things that you created and you made. Have appealing thumbnails. Thumbnails seem rather underestimated sometimes, but thumbnails is the first thing that people see when they see your video pass. So have appealing thumbnails that people want to click on. Then you gotta have music. You gotta have good music if you want your listeners to be into your videos. It seems kinda, I don't know, underestimated, but music and audio is always very important in your videos. Fancy music such as this, or even this. Stabilize your fucking videos. Stabilization is really important because some amateurs film videos and their videos are really shaky, which makes it even more amateur. People see that and they don't like it. They like smooth, buttery smooth, stabilized videos. So you need to have your videos stabilized in order to grasp more attention, to look way more professional. Have interesting content. If you have interesting content, people will stay on your video. It will help you with your video retention and therefore you will take the algorithm on your side, which will help you grow as a YouTube channel. You have to know your algorithm. The algorithm is a number in YouTube that makes people see or don't see your video. So depending on your views, on your video retention, you will have the algorithm on your side or not at all, just like me. My British accent is terrible. I'm sorry, folks. Have popular tags or keywords. Tags and keywords are really important for people to find your video in YouTube searches. So these are to take non-lightly because you need them to grow. Have a bloody mascot, such as myself with my little Ratatouille. He is French and makes great pâtisserie. He is awesome. Look at him. Look how cute he is. My little Ratatouille. So, I mentioned music earlier. Well, this point is similar, but not quite the same. What I'm going to mention for this point is audio. Your audio is really important, and lots of people seem to underestimate audio. Well, audio is half of what it takes to make a video, so it is really important. It goes with music, narration, sound effects. You have to have all these to have a good video. Stop talking, start showing. Some people always talk in their videos, which makes the attention of the listener way harder to keep. If you show things, if you show images, show videos of the places you're going to or the things you're doing, it's gonna be much more appealing for your listeners. Do joke, be funny, do sarcastic, punny, daddy jokes. People like that kind of stuff. Be the best storyteller that there is, or imitate a British or Australian accent, which will give you a certain credibility. Okay, I'm just joking. What is very important is to do a great narrative performance. On your videos, if you narrate properly, your videos will be much more interesting. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video concerning my criminal allegations. I mean this video concerning YouTube, obviously. So, yeah, that was it. I hope you're gonna be better at YouTube now. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. See you on the next adventure. Well, I hope so. Bye!